Welcome friends. In this video we are going to discuss about Python installation process. In previous video I already discussed about what is Python and how Python is different from other languages. But this video we are going to install the proper setup the Python. Fine. So let's begin. So how to install Python in your system? Installation means here you have to set up Python software. Okay, just beginning. In PCs, many PCs or Mac PC, there are two different varieties of PCs are generally on market, on present on market. Among them I am using Windows. Okay, lots of people are using Mac also. Okay, if this video is viewed outside the India, then it is mostly Mac. Otherwise there is a Windows system, it is very properly running on. So how Python install on Windows? There is also same steps follow on Mac also. So how to install? So first of all we have to check inside your system Python is installed or not. If Python is not installed inside your system, then we go on website, that is python.org. That is python.org. Okay. On that website we have to download a Python software on the basis of system requirements. What are the requirements are also mentioned on there. That is just a operating system. What is the 32-bit operating system, a 64-bit operating system, what is the minimum RAM requirement, random access memory, RAM requirement, what is the minimum hardware requirement. Okay, all these points, the system requirements we have to first see, then download the proper Python software, then install it. Fine. So how to reach? First we go for the first I just some time I quit this PPT, then go here, type python.org. Okay, when you type here there is a point called download. You don't go download directly here, you go through the Windows, select Windows. On the Windows you directly see here there is a lots of versions are there, but there is a confusion in your mind, so which is the best version and which is the latest version I am going to be download. So first you have to see here the latest Python 3 release, Python 3.10. okay, inside my system there is a Python 3.9. okay, how could I know? Because I already installed the Python, but I will show you the minimum number of steps, that is which will be enough for you, because I already installed the Python for the check. So when I go for the cmd, type on this search command cmd, there is a pop-up is come and there is a command prompt is show on the screen. Here you type python _version. okay, and it will show you the version 3.9.5. okay, so here is release 3.10 is a stable 3.9.5 is the stable version, because if you below one version, that is going to be stable version, called as a stable version. So you directly click on this. okay, you click on this and here show you so many files, and what are the operating systems here. okay, mostly 64-bit is operating system, and there is a 32-bit operating system also here providing, but you have to decide how you know your system is 64 or 32-bit operating system. Go to my computer or this PC, then right click properties. This is a basic thing, I am not going to show you that thing, but you have to remember the steps. So Windows embeddable package, you click on this, otherwise you go for the Windows installer. okay, click on it. Yes, there is a 27 MB size. okay, then click show in folder. Fine. in this folder, in this file, right click on it, run as administrator, and here yes, click on yes. It takes some time and show you everything. 3.10 64-bit. When you show this window, at that time you have to remember the thing is add Python 3.10 to path. You have to check this. If this is unchecked, it is manually to add the path in your environmental settings. Okay, it is very important. Why should you go for manually add? Okay, it is the better way to add here or check here directly, and then go for the install now. Don't go for the custom installation, because this installation path which will show you on the screen, C users asus app data local programs python 310. Asus is my name, my PC name, my username. In your PC your name is present. Okay, what's your name? That name is shows here, but in my system it shows me Asus. Okay, when click this, it is going to be installed. Okay, but I am not interested now because I am already installed Python 3.9.5. Okay, so it is going to be stopped for me. Fine. If you interested to install, you can install it, but first you uninstall the previous version, then go for the latest version. It is better for you, because if there is some settings on a previous some 3 point a previous version which are currently running, and that settings is not removed in your PC, it is going to be any issue on the development time. So it is better to uninstall the previous version and install the latest version. Okay, so I am close this thing. If there is any issue, first we have to install uninstall the previous version, then go for the latest version. It is not showing suddenly, it takes a time, so I minimize it. So now I already downloaded it and show you how to install. It's a very easy steps, simple. You have to check that. Okay, you have to check that particular checkbox. Yes, setup failed, cancel, close, fine. So once time I will also check my version is good or not. Yes, my Python 3.9.5 is ready. So it is important for you. Fine, it is important for you proper set up the Python. If the Python is not properly set up, you are very difficult to type or run your Python code. Okay, then next steps is comes out here. Next step is very important step, that is here we have covered this thing. Then quick start how to write the Python, means how to start the Python. You know how to know the Python is installed or not. After install the Python, okay, you type on the command prompt, open the command prompt and type Python _version. Okay, then enter it. You know your Python version. Okay, then you have to go for the creating the file. Okay, created the file. How to create the Python file? Inside that Python file you have to type your code. Okay, Python code. So how to create a Python file? So if there is a command, you have to type like this. Okay, Python space file name, and here is the your name means your PC name. Okay, your PC username. So how the Python, and my file name is hello world.py. Okay, so before this thing I have to create one folder here. Okay, that is very easy for me to find out my file. MD, then folder name. So what is the folder name? I will give in a Python folder. Okay, that's a simple Python folder. Then cd Python. Okay, then I go for the type Python space. Okay, Python space hello world.py. Okay, so here no such file, Python cannot open. Okay, no such file or directory. I already created that directory, but it shows me that no directory is going to be created. Okay, and we cannot create a file. Why? We are going to write a good command, python hello world.py. Fine. So first we have see the folder is created or not. How could I see? Directly go for the this PC, and there is a C drive, and there is a Python. Here the Python is not created. Yes, here is not showing me the Python file, Python folder, sorry, Python folder. Okay, I will refresh once a time. Dot kingsoft my drive python program reverse users. Okay, so the folder is present inside users asus python. Okay, I am searching from root. Okay, users asus, and here is the python folder. A file is present, folder is present, sorry, folder. Inside this folder, if I write here, I will directly open here cmd. Okay, the command is open. Then here I am going to type python. Okay, and it will show me python terminal. If you simple go for the python and enter it, okay, it will show you python terminal, and here I am typing print bracket hello world. Okay, and it will shows you hello world. If you want to add something, okay, it's very easy. A equal to 2, b equal to 3, a plus b, let's say 5. Okay, then how to come out from this terminal? You type exit function, you come out this python terminal. This is the one way. Another way is there. If you want to create a python file, python hello world.py, it shows me python cannot be open file, no file and directories in that particular point. Okay, it is not present in such a file and directory, that's why it is not creating me. So first we are doing something wrong. Okay, that's why it is not showing me. Okay, so first upon, okay, so first create a file and there is a save that file, then go for this type. Okay, that is the main point, and that's why it will shows you no such file or directory, no such file or directory. First you have to create a file. So first you have go to your destination folder where you create a file and save on that particular folder, and there is a text document. Type here hello world.py. Okay, it's a better for you, it is saves on a text document. It is a better for you, open it, file, go for the save as. Okay, and here you save it, not text file, you save it a .py, then save it, and it will replace the existing file. And here you write print double quote hello world. Fine, and save it. Then I will close here file name. Okay, then I minimize this thing, then I type python hello world.py. Okay, it will another time it will show the no such file and directory, there is also present. Okay, it will not save as a python. I will delete this file. Then another time I will first create a text file, open it, write print hello world first, then I go for the save as a hello world.py. Okay, and now you can see here it shows you hello world, and the Python icon also it show you. I will close this file, then big I will increase the size. How could I increase the view size? Extra large icon. Okay, now you see this file, it will save as a Python file, and this is the logo of the Python. Okay, so now you come here and type that same command, python hello world.py. Okay, it's running. Python hello world.py, hello world. Okay, it's very simple. If you want to add two numbers, okay, if you want to add two numbers, how could you add? Open that file. Okay, you have to open this file, open. Okay, just a minute. Open, you have to open any editor. Okay, there is ideally also is present, ideally 3.8, 3.9 also present. But if you want to open this file, if you click on it, it will open the cmd form. Okay, command prompt. So another time I will run it, fine, it will running fine. Okay, then another time I open the file, and here another time I will save this file as addition. Okay, addition.py. I save this addition.py. Okay, there is a file also, new file is created, addition.py. Okay, so here you have to write a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to a plus b, then print within bracket sum equal to double quote, then end, then c, then end. Fine, then save it, then minimize it. Go to the cmd command prompt, then type here addition. Addition is the name of the Python file. Okay, it shows you sum equal to 5. So many things you can done through this file. Suppose you have to take the input from the file. How could you take the input from the file? I will some changes here. Int within bracket you have to write input, within bracket you have to write enter the value of a. Okay, then another int within input bracket enter the value of b. Okay, and there is a closing bracket here, here another closing bracket, then save it. Then I go for the command prompt and type here. It asks me enter the value of a. 2, it another asks me 3, then it shows me sum equal to 5. So in this video lots of things are going to done, but you have to remember the steps. First you have to install the Python software in your PC. Very simple, step by step. You have to select the checkbox, add the Python, add the path to the environment, add Python base path to the environmental path. Okay, this is a very important. Another time I will show you. I click on the file, setup file, run as administrator, click on it, this one, add Python to the path, 3.10 to the path. Fine, then click on the install now. All your base Python setups are installed, and then added that path to the path environmental variable. I am going to cancel here. Yes, after that you create a folder. Okay, if you have basic DOS command, you know the basic DOS command, it is easy for you to handle your command prompt. Otherwise it is for difficult for you, or you have to learn something, that is a create folder, change folder, open the folder, that is a change directory, then create the file inside that folder. Okay, you have to create the Python file. Okay, how to create the Python file. You are very easy. I already shows you how to create the Python file. Here my path is C users ASUS Python. Okay, you directly go for the C users ASUS Python. Inside this CMD, you directly open your command prompt. Okay, then type here to running the file, but you have to create the file first. Here you have to create the file through text document and save as that file. Okay, and save as that file .py. Okay, all files, and select the all file options, then save as .py. Then write some instructions on that file, then come to the command prompt and type here python space file name. Okay, then enter it. It will run. If the code is good, then it shows the running. If the code is not good, it shows you error. Fine, that's it. Okay, if there is any issue or any problems comes out this particular process, comment on the below. Fine, please like and share this video, if and subscribe this channel also, and click on the bell icon. If on future any video I am going to be uploaded, notification goes to the notification to you. Fine, thank you.